Lockheed Martin officials report that the U.S. Army will test its newest short-range air defense laser weapon. Lockheed Martin has built a new laser weapon for the Army's combat vehicles in anticipation of future competition for the U.S. Army's short-range air defense system. The laser weapon in question is the Directed Energy Interceptor for Maneuver of Short-Range Air Defense, or DIMOS. DIMOS is a 50-kilowatt class laser weapon designed to be integrated into the Army's combat vehicles, such as the Directed Energy Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense, or the DEM SHORAD prototype Army Corps Technologies recently leased. DEM SHORAD has offered protection to maneuvering ground forces and equipment from threats such as unmanned aircraft systems, or UAS, rotary wing aircraft, rockets, artillery, and mortars. Raytheon Intelligence and Space Weapons System for DEM SHORAD combines a 50-kilowatt class high-energy laser, a beam director, an EO/IR target acquisition and tracking system, and a Ku-720 multi-mission radar. This gives soldiers an effective counter-UAS solution as well as provides counterintelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. In addition, the Raytheon team moved on to demonstrate its system, and the Army chose to go forward with those prototypes. The company received a $123 million contract to supply the laser weapon. Raytheon Intelligence and Space is a subcontractor in the Other Transaction Authority, or OTA agreement between the Army and CORD, a wholly owned subsidiary of KBR based in Huntsville, Alabama. The systems will be mounted on Stryker combat vehicles that the Army plans to deploy for field operations in 2022. Raytheon Intelligence and Space Solution was employed in a series of realistic scenarios designed to evaluate the performance of the system, establish threshold requirements for the laser and demonstrate its technical maturity and readiness. At the shoot-off, soldiers operated the system and effectively tracked, identified, and engaged a variety of targets. But after those prototypes are built, Lockheed believes the Army will reopen the competition because the system will be critical in future operations against prolific threats like unmanned aircraft systems. The company plans to reuse technology developed in other programs and also extend its offering to include Army radar components. Defensive laser weapon systems can complement kinetic weapons during field missions by providing a low cost per kill, speed of light delivery, and a deep magazine limited only by vehicle fuel. Previously, Raytheon Intelligence and Space also delivered 3 high-energy laser systems to the U.S. Air Force. The systems have accrued more than 9,000 hours during operator training and operational assessment. Raytheon Technologies' counter-UAS solutions include sensors and kinetic and non-kinetic effectors that, when networked into a command and control system, provide layers of air defense and force protection designed to meet a variety of threats. The company is also investing in infrastructure over the next several years to make manufacturing advancements and improve network integration. The company is also using digital twin technology to design faster and to innovate more efficiently than was ever previously possible. Lockheed is also showcasing that technology at AUSA. Lockheed believes that once the Army completes the first 4 DEM SHORAD prototypes, the service's rapid capabilities and critical technologies office will have a set of documents containing the technical data package and overall threshold requirements and will deliver that to Program Executive Office Missiles and Space, which will kick off a program of record and launch a competition for the capability. Lockheed also said the architecture of the thermal system used in the prototype program is not the same architecture used in the DIMOS offering. It instead uses a similar architecture to what the company delivered for the Air Force's Laser Advancements for Next Generation Compact Environments program. The company plans to push out a virtual twin for DIMOS in December and will demonstrate the capability in the field in 2022. A Dynetics and Lockheed team should deliver an IFPC high-energy laser technology demonstrator in fiscal year 22. And then 4 prototypes are due at the end of fiscal year 24. Lockheed aims to have the development of the DIMOS digital twin finished by the end of 2021 and begin field demonstrations by the end of 2022. Besides Raytheon, Lockheed could also face off with Northrop Grumman for a future DEM SHORAD contract. Northrop was competing against Raytheon for the RCCT effort but withdrew from the shootout after its directed energy system malfunctioned multiple times during tests, at one point breaking into a fire that damaged the laser and other hardware.